Hey, third grade. So today you guys are taking your first third grade math test, and this is everything that we have already learned for the year. So, what I want you to make sure you do is have your journal out, your math journal. You need to have your learn book and your pencil. The first thing I want you to do is put your name on your test. Okay, I'm going to be reading this to you. You can pause it every time I finish reading a question. And if you need to hear the question again, just kind of go back and you can hit play again. All right. Number one, remember, we are doing distributive property. So you're going to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks. Number two, fill in the blanks to make true statements. So looking at this, you're going to fill in those 3 blanks. Number 3, using these arrays, you're going to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks. Okay, number 4, use the arrays below to answer each set of questions. How many rows of erasers are there? How many erasers are there in each row? Don't get the rows and columns mixed up. All right, number 5. Tamia buys 2 bags of candy. Each bag has 7 pieces of candy in it. Draw an array to show how many pieces of candy Tamia has all together. Next part, write and solve a multiplication sentence to describe the array. And then the last part, use the commutative property to write and solve a different multiplication sentence for the array. Remember, if you don't remember what commutative property is, look in your journal or look in your learn book. Number 6, there are 5 pineapples in each group. How many pineapples are there in 5 groups? So you're filling out 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks. Number of groups, size of each group, the product, and then there are blank pineapples all together. Number 7, you're just looking at the array and finding the quotient. Number 8, blank chickens are divided into blank equal groups. There are blank chickens in each group, and then find the quotient. Number 9, Jenna has markers. The picture shows how she placed them on her desk. Write a division sentence to represent how she equally grouped her markers. There are blank markers in each row. So you are completing this division equation. And remember what we learned, a division equation always starts with what? Okay, 10 and 11, this is distributive property, and you have examples of all of this in your journal and your learn book. So remember, because these are highlighted, we're taking away, so make sure you're paying attention to that. Number 12, circle the pencils below to show 3 groups of 6. Write a repeated addition and a multiplication sentence to represent the picture. Number 13. Write a multiplication equation to represent the model. So you're writing 1, 2, 3 equations. Number 14. Draw a rectangular array to represent the multiplication fact. Then write the product. So you're drawing an array, product, product. Number 15. Draw an array using factors 4 and 2. Then show a number bond where each part represents the amount in one row. Number 16, there are blank peppers in each row. How many peppers are there in 6 rows? Number of rows, size of each row, what is your multiplication equation, and there are blank peppers all together. Number 17. Daniel has 12 apples. He put 6 apples in each bag. Circle the apples to find the number of bags Daniel makes. Write a division sentence where the answer represents the number of Daniel's bags. Draw a number bond to represent the problem. Number 18, find the unknowns that make the equations true. Then draw a line to match related facts. Remember, we did this on our problem set the other day. So you're going to fill in all 6 of these blanks, and then one of these matches one of these, and one of these matches one of these, and one of these matches one of these. So you're going to fill in the blanks, and then you're going to have 3 lines drawn. Last page. Angel writes 2 times 8 equals 8 times 2 in his notebook. Do you agree or disagree? Draw arrays to help explain your thinking. So make sure you have arrays drawn and you're also writing agree or disagree. Number 20, you're just filling in the missing factors. Number 21, draw a rectangular array or a number line to help you solve the problems. Steve uses 2 eggs to make each batch of cookies. How many eggs does Steve use to make 6 batches of cookies? All right, our last question. Judy washes 24 dishes. She then dries and stacks the dishes equally into 4 piles. How many dishes are in each pile? Make sure you fill in both of those. All right, I want you to double check your work. Make sure that you answered all of the questions. Make sure your name is on the paper, and then you may turn it in.